Careful, I think the bird just shut there.
Morning.
It's day 2 of our Melbourne trip. What time is it?
What year is it?
I just told it caught because he was being too loud in the bathroom. I needed to get some more sleep, and it's 11:24. So
hard life.
we stayed up pretty late last night, but I think it was just because we were really tired from yesterday. Don't know the plan. We're going out with some other friends tonight for dinner, possibly, and I'm not sure what else we're doing. We're probably gonna go maybe back into the city on a tram again, and hopefully look for a camera lens for my other camera. Yay!
Yay! Money.
I don't know.
I'm out of here.
What do you want to do?
Put socks on.
I mean today.
Well, yeah, put socks on. I'd love to put socks on today.
I already got socks on. Look at my socks. I'm gonna turn over here and say, look at my socks. Guess where we are for breakfast and or lunch. Maybe we should get a milkshake. Juice, because I need it. What do you think?
Fucking delicious, man. It's really good.
Good for lunch and breakfast?
Good for everything. And at any time ever.
Try one of the little chicken balls.
I did.
Oh really?
They're dangerous.
Are they?
Oh yeah.
I want
Try one of these here, man. They're nice. How's yours? I said you bastard. Give me some of your chunky fries.
Careful, I think the bird just shut there. Like in that corner.
No, it's not.
No, there's white stuff there. Like down the bottom, just don't eat that corner there. You see it?
No way.
Oh my god, I think I have that on recording too. Huh? It's vegan stuff.
Is it?
Yeah, it's chickens and caged chickens. Is it? We shouldn't go. Yeah. Aww.
Good work, guys.
That's cool. That's really cool. Finally off to get my camera lens now. It's literally been such a mission to get one. So yay! So from here on out, the rest of the vlogs are actually going to look nice. Woohoo! Kevin and your freaking thumb.
What's up? Proud owner of a dragon egg.
I need 3, I'm sorry. I have to.
It smells like Fruit Loops.
I love how look at the little vegan sign. Oh, it's this one.
Toasty.
Hello!
know
So
where.
I am filming with my new camera, so I'm not sure if it looks any better or not, or whether the focus is working or what's going on with the video.
Hello. What? That's
What are
you
we
said.
doing?
We're going to see an old friend of mine. Used to play bass in the old band, and we're gonna go see him. Call him a douche. And that's literally all we're going to do. And drink beer, and it's gonna be good.
Yeah, so we've left Kaleido and Ethan our pro at home. They need to record and do some things, so we thought we'd leave them alone for a little while.
Please.
And yeah, So I'll probably just get some footage of the street and then, yeah, because we don't know if we're gonna catch a tram or walk or we're gonna get lost. I don't know. It's a, what, 15-minute walk?
14.
Ready? Go!
Hi. Hey, dude. How are you? I'm good.
I'm good. Do you have animals?
Good to see you.
I'm sorry, I've got a camera. I just wanted to be like, hey, so that I don't have to film anything.
It's 8:17.
It's 8:17. And we are heading to Fitzroy in Melbourne. And we're going to the Veggie Bar, which is actually one of the oldest vegan/vegetarian bars in Melbourne. So it's super duper exciting. And there's Corbin. I'm just getting him out of the frame, so...
My head's not important. That's what we're going to do. That's what we're going to do today.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna film the food that we actually eat, and then that will be the end of day 2 Melbourne vlog. Yay!
Another food ending competition thingy.
Bye.
The veggie bar.